And again, this is our state tree, a western hemlock cone.
It is blending in with the ground. Found this one just weeding.
Hi, I'm Mary Pat with Warren Beach Camp Outdoor Education Program. And Katie has shown you the way of making a bird feeder with cones. And I get to do that also, but from a different place and with different stuff. So we had a little tutorial on cones. These are pine cones, and this happens to be a spruce cone. And again, this is our state tree, a western hemlock cone. Those are a little small, so I'm going to go for the pine cone to make this feeder. And so this has been sitting nice and open, and has gotten nice and open. And so now you get to find a bowl. I got songbird birdseed to use today, and a bowl from the kitchen. And then I have two different implements for putting the shortening on. I got this at the grocery store. Lard is even better to use because it is better for the birds to digest. So, got the shortening. I'm going to try both spreader knife and yeah, I am, and the spatula, and to see which one might be really good. So you put on this stuff because it's the sticky, and it also has a lot of calories in it. And for birds, that's what they're looking for, right? They're looking for calories to sustain them in this time of the year, which is spring, because they have a lot of baby birds to take care of and feed. So the more natural energy that they can get, it's good for them. So we're going to put it all the way around. I'm using a lot of this shortening. All right. I'm making plans to get green ribbon to put on the bottom of it as maybe a bit of camouflage, because I'm going to hang it in a pine tree in my yard. So there's the bird seed. I get to plunge it in and twist the cone around it. And then I really want to maximize this, so I will kind of shove some in. Because I'm going to make this one, I will put it out in my yard and see if they react to it. They sure should, because it looks good to a bird and the squirrels and even some little critters up in the trees. Apparently, I'm having way too much fun because I want to pack it in. All right, everybody. This is a bird feeder. It'll be hanging this way from the tree. And I hope you have fun doing it in your yard or off your porch. If you have a deck that you want to hang it off, try that too. Understand that birds are messy and they'll make more of a mess than I did. Thanks a lot. Have fun doing it. Bye-bye.